Before you install VirtualBox, you must install Python, which is a scripting program. So as you see here, I have the Python for Windows installation running on a 64-bit core Windows environment. And once this program is finished installing, I need to install the Pywin32 application as well, and it's a command prompt / DOS based app, a utility that runs along with Python. And so you just need to do a few house cleaning procedures before you go ahead and install VirtualBox. Now VirtualBox, if we think of it as needing some back-end utilities to run smoothly, almost like SQL Server runs on the VMware or Hyper-V backend. So think of it in that manner. So once we install this information properly, then we can go ahead and finish the install or begin the installation for the VirtualBox application, which is the fun application that lets you create virtual software machines so you can have fun and you can save a lot of money. It's very cost effective because you're not running everything on hardware as you did in the past. So that's why a lot of companies prefer to go virtual when it comes to installing certain operating systems. And also, having a virtual machine allows you to have the ability to go towards a cloud environment, because just before you go towards the cloud environment, you have to virtualize all of your applications and software and all that fun stuff. So step 1, virtualize. Step 2, take it to the cloud. So that is the strategy that most companies nowadays go towards. Alright, so that's just a little bit of background information for you as to why we would want to virtualize in the first place. Alright, so this setup process is just about done, and so I'm going to actually go to step 2 after this and show you how to install VirtualBox. Stay tuned. So you also need to install Pywin32 along with Python before you install VirtualBox. And once you do that, you'll be all set.